All right, people, let's have a look at the routing and the payment difference between the referral tree and your payout matrix. So we're doing an experiment here to understand exactly how this payout is working, is routed. So yesterday we added two directs under number 200, 2973 and 2974. Right, so this is number 200. I'm using the search option here to explain to you. You can see the inviter of 200 is number 2, right? It's got 3 directs already. Its total team size is 5 now, and its active levels is level 2 of 12. It already earned 0.001 BNB, right? And it registered on the 17th of May, position number 200. Right, so the referral tree is yesterday we registered 2973 and 2974 under 200 because it still needed directs. And you can see what happened here on the payout matrix. 297 falls on your left. Your first direct always falls on your left. And it says there, spills up 1 level. All right, and then your second direct on your right-hand side, it spills up 2 levels. So when this spills up 1 level, it means it's going to go to number 2, which is the inviter of 200. It's got nothing to do with this referral tree. Right, so if you're going to look at it this way, 3012 is going to go to 200 now. And also 3013 is going to go to 200 on its payout matrix, not to its referral tree. It doesn't mean it's going to pay it directly. It depends on where in this matrix does it fall, and that's what I want you to see now. So 2973 registered and it paid 1 level up to number 2. Right, 2974 went up 2 levels, and that means it went up to number 1, which is number 2's inviter. Right, now you've got 2 directs already. So what you do now is 2973. Only there's the first direct of 2973. In other words, this one. 3012, you register that one. That one is going to pay number 200. When you don't register the second one yet. So you register 2974, 1 direct. 3013, it's going to fall on the left-hand side. So 3012 is going to pay, because it goes up 1 level, it's on your left, goes up 1 level to number 200. So it's going to pay 200. So 3012 came in here at number 3 and it paid 200 because it's in a green position or slot number 3. And that is a payment, direct payment. So 200 received its first payment there. Now, when you register number 2974, which is the first direct of 2974 was 3013, and you can see it here. 3013, it's under 2974 on the left, meaning it goes up 1 level to 200 as well. So it fell here in slot number 4, which is kept for the upgrade to level 2. Right now, how do you fill slot number 5? Because if you use any one of these links, it will not fall here. So you use your own link of 200 again, it's another direct, and it fell right here, 3015. And that triggered the upgrade to level 2. So combined slot 4 and slot 5, 0.001 each equals 0.002, and it upgraded position 200 to level 2. And there you can see it is on level 2 already. Excuse me. All right, so that is how you can upgrade with 6 positions only, because your first 2 directs, only they're going to fall into your, or your first directs basically, of your directs falls into your payout matrix, which is where the money is routed to. All right, please do not confuse your referral matrix with your payout matrix, but let's have a look at what happened when I added another direct to 2973. It's 3067. It fell on the right-hand side. So on the right-hand side, that means it is going to spill up exactly like here, spill up 2 levels. So 3067 goes up 2 levels, that's 1 level. It's 200, so it goes to 200 in Viper. And that is number 2. Let's look at number 2. Open this one here. So you're going to do search there on number 2. You can see number 2's invited is number 1. Right, so number 3067 on the payout matrix. Remember, that is payment, so it's got nothing to do with your referral tree now. This is the payout matrix for number 2. Here is 3067 came in here in position number 789, which is a payment position as well. So it goes up straight to number 2's wallet. All right, and then let's go back to 200. Let's see the second direct that I added under 2974, which is 3069. It also goes up 2 positions, also to number 2. Right, it does not appear on the payout matrix. Neither 3069 or 3067 is not on the payout matrix, but it's on the referral tree. Why? Because both of them goes up 2 levels. All right, and if you go and look for 3069, we see that it fell on position number 2. Position number 2's matrix is user number 2. The payout matrix 3069 in slot number 10, which is a spill down position. Now remember, the position number 7, which is your first spill down, goes down 1 level to your left. The second position, number 10, spills down also 1 level, but to your right. So where do you see that? Now this is where your referral tree comes in. So 1 position, this is your level 1. If you spill down 1 level, it means it's going to go under number 4 on your left, if it's position number 7. If it's on position or slot number 10, it will go to your right, meaning it's under number 5. So we're going to go to number 5 now, because this is position number 10, 3069, and that fell under number 5. So let's look at number 5 matrix, payout matrix, because it will not be on its referral tree matrix, payout matrix. And there, this is cycle or level 1 as well. It doesn't matter what cycle it is. Level 1, 3069, it fell in position number 13. Now, this is very interesting because number 13 is also a spill down, but this spills down 2 levels, as you can see there. It spills down 2 levels to your left. Right, now where do you see those 2 levels? Go to your referral tree of number 5, level 1, level 2. So it's 2 levels to your left, and that will be under number 298. All right, now let's go to 298 and see if it is there. All right, you can see here, it's not on the referral tree. It is actually on the payout matrix in position number 6, where it landed, and it paid position number 298. There you can see it paid position number 298, 0.002 is the balance of 298 already, because it received that payment and that payment 0.001, 0.001. It was upgraded to level 2, so it hasn't received any other payments yet, and it already received a spill down from 832 on its level 2 again. All right, so this is very interesting that you can see there 3069, which is a direct of number 3074 or 3094, came in and landed, 2974, sorry. 2974, 3069 is a direct of 2974, and it landed, it paid 298. All right, so please do not get confused. I know it takes some time to understand this, Now this is how you're going to read it. All right. Thank you.